Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best router tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Triton TRA00131/4HP Dual Mode Precision Plunge Router. The Triton TRA00131/4HP Dual Mode Precision Plunge Router stands out as a top choice for woodworkers seeking versatility and precision in their projects. With a powerful motor, it handles deep cuts with ease, offering smooth operation. Switching from plunge to fixed base is a breeze with a single button. You'll appreciate the automatic spindle lock for easy bit changes and the micro winder for fine depth adjustments. Built-in router lift and above table adjustments save time. However, it's heavy for handheld use, and some users report power switch issues. Regular maintenance, like dust collection, ensures longevity. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch 1617 EVS Electronic Fixed. When precision and power define your woodworking needs, the Bosch 1617 EVS Electronic Fixed Base Router stands out as an exceptional choice. With its 2.25 horsepower motor and variable speed ranging from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, this router delivers consistent, clean cuts. The aluminum construction, hardwood handles, and soft start feature ensure smooth, controlled operation. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it excels in cabinetry and intricate designs. While some users note RPM issues under heavy loads, its 4.8-star rating reflects widespread satisfaction. Consider adding accessories for specific projects and enjoy reliable customer support with warranty options. At number 3, we have the Bosch 1617 EVS PK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit. The Bosch 1617 EVS PK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit with variable speed motor is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned woodworkers who seek precision and versatility. This combo kit includes a 2.25 horsepower plunge router and a fixed base router, both powered by a 12 amp motor. You'll appreciate the electronic variable speed range of 8,000 to 25,000 RPM soft start and micro fine depth adjustments for precise routing. The RA1181 Benchtop router table features 2 adjustable featherboards, a dust collection port, and an aluminum fence with MDF faceplates. Compatible with 1/4 and 1/2 bits, it's ideal for various woodworking tasks. At number 2, we have the SKIL RT13230 router table and 10 amp fixed base router kit. If you're a woodworking enthusiast looking for a reliable and versatile router table, the SKIL RT13230 router table and 10 amp fixed base router kit is an excellent choice. This kit includes a sturdy router table and a powerful 10 amp 2.0 HP motor, offering smooth and precise routing with a maximum speed of 25,000 RPM. You'll appreciate the soft start feature and the 6-speed variable control for versatility. The table features a smooth laminated MDF surface and an aluminum mounting plate, ensuring stability. While assembly is a breeze, consider an external dust collection system for optimal performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the SKIL SRT 1039 Benchtop Portable Router Table. If you're a woodworking enthusiast seeking a reliable and portable option, the SKIL SRT 1039 Benchtop Portable Router Table might just be your best bet. Weighing 24.2 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy. The table features a convenient above-table router lift and dual-sided bit storage for easy access and organization. Its precision routing is enhanced by an aluminum miter gauge slot and 2 featherboards, ensuring accuracy and protection. Compatible with major router brands, it's easy to assemble, though some users find instructions unclear. With a 4.4-star rating, It's praised for build quality and beginner-friendly design, despite minor dust issues. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.